8th grade, Unit 2, Lesson 6, Similarity. Glossary term, similar. Two figures are similar if one can fit exactly over the other after rigid transformations and dilations. Number 1. Each diagram has a pair of figures, one larger than the other. For each pair, show that the two figures are similar by identifying a sequence of translations, rotations, reflections, and dilations that takes the smaller figure to the larger one. Here's a pair of figures. In the lower left-hand corner, you have triangle ABC, and above it, to the right, you have triangle CFE. Translate point A to point C. Here's point A, and here's point C. Translate A to C, and then dilate with center A by a factor of 2. From A to B, it's 1 unit. From C to F, it's 2 units. That's a scale factor of 2. From point B to point C, it's 2 units. And from point F to point E, it's 4 units. That's a scale factor of 2. For this diagram, we have triangle BCD and its corresponding triangle. Rotate 60 degrees counterclockwise using A as center. Here's a look at point A. After rotating 60 degrees counterclockwise using A as center, then dilate using a scale factor of 2, still using A as the center. From point B to point D, it's 3 units. And the corresponding triangle, point B to point D, is 6 units. The side length doubled from 3 units to 6 units. That's a scale factor of 2. Number 2. Here are 2 similar polygons. Measure the side lengths and angles of each polygon. What do you notice? The side length from point A to point B is 3 units on the smaller figure, and the corresponding side length from point E to point F is 6 units. On the smaller figure from point B to point D is 1 unit. From point H to point F, it's 2 units. Lengths on the larger shape are twice the length of the corresponding lengths on the smaller shape. Now let's look at the angles. ABC corresponds with the angle EFG. The corresponding angle measures are the same. Number 3. Each figure shows a pair of similar triangles, one contained in the other. For each pair, describe a point and a scale factor to use for a dilation moving the larger triangle to the smaller one. Use a measurement tool to find the scale factor. Center of dilation is point B. Side lengths of the larger triangle are 4 times longer than the corresponding lengths of the smaller triangle, so the scale factor is 1/4. The center of dilation is point A. The side lengths of the larger triangle are 3 times longer than the corresponding lengths of the smaller triangle. Therefore, the scale factor is 1/3.